bit towards the front edge of your chair, feet slightly rotated out to the sides, crown of your head is reaching high towards the sky. On your next inhale, draw your shoulders high towards your ears. Freeze here for a moment. Deep inhale. On your exhale, let your exhale go through your lips and release your shoulders. Let's do that one more time. Deep inhale, draw the shoulders high towards your ears. Freeze here for a moment as you exhale through your lips and the shoulders go. Release your arms down by the sides of your body as you inhale. Reach your arms parallel to the floor. Exhale, embrace yourself. Right arm over the left. Give yourself a close hug. Before you move your forearms to vertical, try to clasp your palms together. Hold the thumb. Press your elbows against each other so you intensify the stretch in between the shoulder blades and reach the fingertips high towards the sky. Keep the cross of your arms. Reach your arms to the front. Turn the palms to face each other. Interlace your fingers. Release the shoulders. Inhale, reach your arms high towards the sky. Release the shoulder blades down the back of your ribs. Take an inhale. On your exhale, twist to the right side. Left hand goes to the right side. Right fingertips behind you. Crown of your head is reaching high towards the sky. On your next inhale, come back to center. Sweep your arms out to the sides and up. Exhale, release your arms. Inhale, sweep your arms halfway out to the sides. Exhale, embrace yourself. Left arm over the right. Give yourself a close hug. Before you move your forearms to vertical again, eagle arms. Fingertips reach high. As you press the elbows against each other, you tax the space in between the shoulder blades. Face remains soft. Keep the cross of your upper arms. Simply extend your arms to the front. Palms face each other. Interlace your fingers. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, reach your arms high towards the sky. Draw the shoulder blades down the back ribs. Take an inhale and lengthen your spine. On your exhale, twist to the second side. Continue breathing. On your next inhale, come back to center. Sweep your arms out to the sides and above your head. Exhale, release your palms down to the knees, to the thighs. Growing tall.